Human brain is the most complex thing human have come across. But it's not said by anyone else. The human brain itself says or brag about itself, but it's a simple notion that if organism has bigger brain, the more the intelligence would be. Yeah, this notion has been a general thought in the scientific community and considered and used in many scientific studies. But the new study published last week and says, and the senior author says that they have overturned the thought or the notion that it's clearly relation between the brain size and the intelligence. So now it's thing that the only the brain size is not the thing that determine the mammalian intelligence. 22 scientists from all over the world, international team, and they studied they studied over 14,000 mammalian species, and yeah, including the extinct species. They studied whole 150 million years of Earth's history and these mammalian species. So the findings are that are as I said that new findings says that it's not only the brain to body size that determine intelligence. So brain size in any organism is very related with the energy requirement. Yeah, energy requirement, because most of the food you eat, yeah, it's supplemented to the brain. Over the 60 to 70% of your food, the glucose goes to brain because it's the center part and it's control your whole body and it deserve it. Then the earliest thought of school for the bigger brain size in mammals was that even in those periods during the evolution, the mammals were they to boost their hearing power. Yeah, the nocturnal animals, they wander in nights. So they could the no lights, so the hearing power should be more. So to boost their hearing capability, so the bigger brain size evolved in such a way. So that was the thing. The new study that we are talking about, which was published last week, says that the and account for in the history of mammalian evolution, when did these you know the brain size would get bigger, what were the events, major events. So they concluded, they pointed out two major events. Like one event is 66 million years ago, the mass extinction were occurred. Yeah, this mass extinction, the comet or asteroid caused mass extinction in which the 75%, three quarter of plant and animal species were extincted. Yeah, it caused major mass extinction. The another the another event happened, made the mammalian brain bigger, was the climate transition. Between 23 million years ago to 33 million years ago. During the 10 million years of period, it caused the increase the brain size. It's according to the study.